Hello, my name is Gift. If you're new here, I live in a one-bedroom apartment in Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome to my clean, small, and minimal space. Okay, let's start from the top. So over here is my window and I have a sheer white curtain on. I love a place looking bright and airy, and I think sheer white curtains are just the best for it. I know with this, a lot of people are concerned about privacy, but if you double it, as I did mine, it's not as see-through as. Again, it will also depend on, where you're staying. Where I stay, I don't have an issue with people looking at me, so it works perfectly for this place. I had someone get this for me. This one, the one in my room, the accessories, the rail, everything cost about 80k. Who knew curtains were so expensive? I did not. And right in this corner, I have a shelf. I made a shelf because I wanted a focal point to the room, something your eyes would just go to as soon as you enter the space, and also because I wanted something I could put vases on. I love vases. These and these I got from a vendor called Opulent Ceramics on Instagram. It cost about 30k with delivery from Abuja. This one I got from China. I also have a book that I got from Amazon here, and I placed a candle on top of it. I also have a vase that was gifted, and I have some books that I bought recently that I thought would look nice here, so I placed it here. So right over here is my couch. My couch is actually the first thing I got for my living room when I moved in. And for like 4 months straight, my living room was empty. Me cannot be bothered with expenses. But subscribing bothers me. So please subscribe. Anyways, it's a 2-seater couch and it's in the color beige because neutral girl. I didn't want it to be because I don't want it to overwhelm the space. I mean, it's a small space, I had the artisan make 2 armchair pillows for me. I also have this woven pillow that I got from prettyLittleThing. I also have a throw blanket that I got from prettyLittleThing as well. I use the same artisan for almost everything in this place, and I'll have her details in the description box. So next up, I have my rug. By the way, my floor, I have gotten quite a number of questions about on my Instagram, but the floor came with the house, which I'm actually very thankful about because I know that it contributed to making hair seem a bit more, effortlessly aesthetic. Anyways, my rug, I don't know if I like it or hate it. To me, it's just there. It's about 5'7", and this is in a color off-white. I got this for about 50k. I kind of started wishing I got it in a bigger size and also a different material, but it still works. On top is my coffee table. It's the same wood as my shelf because I wanted it kind of matte and it's glossy finish. I actually kind of play with the styling. Moving on opposite my couch is my TV area, and I have a TV console in white, but this white is kind of leaning towards off-white. Sometimes that pure white can have this bluish tint, which I hate. This shade of white is so much better in my opinion. It has 3 storage units. I love to utilize my furniture as much as I can because again, small space, and just like my couch, it has a stand. On this corner, I have a rustic vase and a dry steams that I got from a vendor called Bika Baskets on Instagram. I also have this cute bulb light I got from China. On the other side, I have a beige bowl, which I got from a vendor on Instagram as well. I just put my keys, my remote, things like that inside. I also have this woven basket that I really love. I got it from Lekki Art and Craft, and I just love the way the woven is. I feel like it's different from the usual, and I got this for about 6,500. I moved this around, to be honest, but for today I placed it just right next to my TV stand. Right next to it, I have a Faux plant. I'm not a green girl, but I realized that having a green in a place kind of gives more, life to the room. So I got this one. This is called an olive tree. I love how minimal the leaves looks and the fact that it doesn't actually look fake. I got this from a vendor on Instagram for about 23k. It came with a basket, so I actually think the price is, pretty fair. I'll have the details in the description box. I have placed this in a vase because again, I love vases. And this pot I got from the same vendor I mentioned earlier, Opulent Ceramics. I love this pot so much. And these people, I kind of really love their service, because when the first vase came, it came broken and I was so sad. You know, I messaged them and I was ranting, and it wasn't a hassle. They're like, oh, I'm going to send you a replacement, and they sent a new one. I'm just really happy about that, because you know, in Nigeria, you know that getting a replacement sometimes can be such a struggle. I have them painted a rustic cream, which I think complements my space very, very well. It cost about 30k with delivery from Abuja. So moving on to this side, this corner I still have plans for. I know I want to put a mirror here, maybe another woven chair here. I'm just very indecisive about that. But for now, I have this frame that I got. One of the first things that I got for this place, leaning on the wall. I got this from a vendor called Adefunke Frames. I think this details in the description. I do like it. It's pretty minimal. It's my vibe. Although recently I have been leaning towards more white frames, but for now it's still going to be here till I decide what I'm doing with this space. And just here is my entryway. And for this place, I also still have plans for. But for now, I have this table that I got earlier. One of the first things I got for this place that I don't really have any need for. I have it placed on this corner. And on top of it, I have a wicker basket. This is the basket I mentioned earlier came with the plant. But now I just use it to put my slides, slippers, you know, things I just run errands with. It's just better than having it, you know, lying around the entryway. I made a video sharing tips on how you can make your small space look aesthetics. You should check that out as well. Hope you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.